Hello, students, and welcome to Moral Science class. We begin with a new chapter, that is chapter 8, Making Correct Choices in Life. These two prominent personalities, that is Catherine Pulsifer, says life presents many choices. The choices we make determine our future. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears, says Nelson Mandela. What is the objective of the lesson? It is to make right choices, do your best to make appropriate choices, and it is never too late to make things right. This is a lovely story of Uncle Sammy. Let's read and understand the significance of making right decision in life. The main characters in this story are Himanshu, Himanshu's mother, Ankit, and Uncle Sammy. It tells how one friend tries to influence the other by compelling him to do things which are inappropriate. Ankit, who was Himanshu's friend, was hovering around him like an eagle. The word hovering refers to moving around. He was moving around like an eagle. And Ankit tells him, I know you cannot resist a challenge. The word resist means to stop. You cannot stop a challenge. When Himanshu hears the word challenge, something in his head snapped. It clicked. The word snapped refers to clicked. And he suddenly remembered his uncle, whose name was Sammy, and everybody, all his friends used to call him Sam. And his name was Sam D'Souza. And he was a businessman and he had a small garment shop. And he was so close to Uncle Sammy. He remembered sharing everything with him under the sun. The petty quarrels he had in the school with his classmates, the awards and the prizes he won, and the scoldings he received at home and in the school. Uncle Sammy was a very intelligent and a very he had the art of making the dry and boring topics into an interesting way and a fun manner. He remembers the time they played together, they had spent together playing different challenging games like climbing a tree, running a race, and touching a tree in 10 seconds. Himanshu remembers his mother raising her eyes in heaven and saying, I feel I am bringing not one son, but two sons. Two sons refers to one is Himanshu and the other is Uncle Sam. Himanshu was a keen athlete. The word keen here refers to an enthusiastic. He was very enthusiastic. He was an enthusiastic athlete and dreamt he wanted to become like Carl Lewis. He made many castles in the air and he remembered his uncle telling him in the evening when they sat together. He spoke about the grit. Grit here refers to courage and determination, the hard work, dedication, all these things he remembered his uncle telling him about success and failures. And one evening, when he comes back from the school, after attending his coaching classes, he get the news that his uncle is not well. And as soon as he hears that, he is very upset. He feels sad about it. And mother tells him that he is suffering from lung cancer because he has been smoking a lot. And when Abhimashu hears this, he is into his tears when his mother also was crying. And he could not understand. He noticed, even though he noticed several times that his uncle was smoking a cigarette, but he did not stop him. And he was regretting why he could not stop him, why he allowed that poisonous smoke to inhale and to enter his lungs. So he was regretting for not stopping his uncle smoke the cigarette. When his uncle's condition was getting deteriorated day by day, it was getting worse day by day. Even the best doctors, the best possible treatment was given to him, but he could not fight the disease. And he watched his uncle was growing weak, he was getting feeble day by day, and he remembered his uncle's last words when he met him. He said that, Himi, there will be many challenges in your life. The ones you accept will either break you or make you. And you need to choose the right ones and never accept a challenge which you would lose even when you win. So these words, they just flashed him back. He could visualize, and he could remember the thoughts, the things that were his uncle shared with him. Ankit made every effort so that Himanshu would take smoke the cigarette. But Ankit he made every effort, but Himanshu did not accept the challenge, and he was very happy that he did not make a wrong decision. Whereas he realized, and he was very happy for not accepting the challenge and making a right and a wise choice. The lesson learned through this chapter is do not be easily influenced by others. Always think before doing something. Take up challenges but never go for wrong negative ones. Ask yourself before making a choice, is it safe? Is it respectful? Is it kind? Students, you need to make wise choices. Make good choices today so you don't have to regret tomorrow. Remember, there are no mistakes, only lessons. Love yourself, trust your choices, and everything is possible. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you and God bless you all.